Westinghouse iGen2550. This is the basic one. It doesn't have the, what is it called? The carbon monoxide sensor. It doesn't have the propane or propane input. It is going to work here. That feels so good out here. I'm sitting right beside it. It doesn't sound quiet, but it doesn't sound loud either. I do have to raise my voice slightly to hear myself. Just do a little test here. The air coming out is not even hot. It's like barely warm. That's pretty interesting. Here's some more specs. So let's turn this back off here. That was with it on eco mode. I don't know if turning it off eco mode. Is that how long it's supposed to run? 12 hours? Idling. That took an hour off. That was the eco button. Okay, so let's try this on a little bit. I want to try something. I wish I had a little metal pipe that fit the same size that it is. But anyway, there should be a muffler somewhere around here. This thing weighs about as much as the generator does. I see. There's a lot of airflow coming from around the engine in this dampened case or whatever. It may be plastic, but there's a little bit of foam inside to silence it. So this ain't gonna happen though. what's the deal here? Amp. All right, well, it's doing the trick. This thing probably uses like 1,500 watts maximum anyway. So this is rated for 1900 continuously. Yeah, that feels good. This will do the trick. Unfortunately, this doesn't have like a medium setting or something that I'm aware of. Oh, would this be it? Can I do it on a medium? Yeah, okay, never mind, shoot. This should heat that van that I walked by down there, the green one. Okay, yeah, 1, 2. Or 3. Nice. The display, the LED is just rattling like crazy. The camera isn't picking it up because of the frequency of the screen, but it's doing like this number to me. On the video it looks like it's cycling through. It's not. It doesn't appear that way. Okay, yeah, on 2 setting. Let me see if turning it up does something different. Nope. So this don't have no fan, but it does good. I brought this crate out here to see if I could put this in it. I don't think that would help out much. Maybe to keep it out of the rain or something. But still, it needs airflow. It's pulling in the air from down here. Yeah, I can feel it. So it claims 5 hours of running on the medium setting for this. So that's probably using 800 watts or something. And that's probably using 400. I'm gonna guess each one of these uses somewhere between 300 to 500. It will do good. Yeah, paying $380 for 1900 watts versus Honda's $1,000 for something that isn't as powerful. This is only a few decibels higher than the Honda EU220i. This iGen2550 is practically identical, but also has the additional power, the same very long runtime with its 1.1 gallon tank. As you saw there, it's claiming 13 hours idling on quarter draw. Well, on quarter draw it was claiming what? Something like 4 hours? Or 4 hours and 44 minutes. Either way, you saw the bar and how long it said it would run. And just to show you, it was pretty full. It should still be. Yeah. One gallon tank. And this is a full test. It cranked it to its max. I'm curious if it'll be able to run a... What is it? I'm curious it's going to be able to run. Let's see here. masonry saw. That startup amp might be a little much for this thing. 2,500 watts. I'll find out, I suppose. So yeah, I need like a big chop saw, but for bricks. I'm glad I got this over the Honda. The Honda does have Bluetooth, start, stop, and eco mode, and runtime from your phone, which would be nice because you're not going to have this in whatever you're powering. Typically RV or van or something. But it's fine otherwise. Cool.